If you're seeing a OneDrive error 404, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common fixes step by step so you can get back into your file or folder as quickly as possible. This issue usually means the page can't be found, the file link is broken, the item may have been moved or deleted, or there may simply be a browser or sign-in problem. We'll go through each fix in a simple order, starting with the fastest solution first. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides, and let's get started. First, try the simplest fix, which is refreshing the page. If the OneDrive page is stuck or the link didn't load correctly the first time, a refresh can instantly solve it. On your keyboard, press F5 or click the refresh button in your browser. Then check whether the file or folder opens properly. Sometimes the error is only temporary and a quick refresh is all it takes. If the page still shows error 404, the next thing to do is sign out of OneDrive and sign back in again. Open OneDrive in your browser and click your profile picture in the top corner. From there, choose Sign Out. Once you're signed out, close the browser completely. Then open the browser again and sign back in to OneDrive using the correct account. This is important because sometimes the file exists, but you're logged into the wrong account or your session has expired. Reconnecting your session can fix the loading issue. Now let's move to another very common reason for a OneDrive error 404. The file may have been moved or deleted. Open OneDrive and use the search box to look for the file name. If you can't find it in the usual location, check the recycle bin inside OneDrive. If the file was deleted recently, you may be able to restore it from there. If it was moved to a different folder, searching for it can help you locate the new path. A 404 error often happens when the original link is pointing to a file that no longer exists in that location. Another useful fix is to open the link in a private window. Sometimes browser cookies, cached data, or saved login sessions can cause OneDrive links to fail even when the file is still there. If you're using Chrome, press Ctrl+Shift+N to open an incognito window. Then paste the OneDrive link into that window and try opening it again. If prompted, sign in with the correct account. This helps you test whether the issue is related to your browser session rather than the file itself. If the file still won't open, the last step is to ask for a new sharing link. If someone else owns the file, the original link may have expired, been changed, or lost permission. Contact the file owner and ask them to create a fresh sharing link. Once they send a new link, open it and check whether the file loads correctly. In many cases, this solves the problem immediately, especially when the link was shared a long time ago or the owner updated access settings. So to quickly recap, the best ways to fix a OneDrive error 404 are to refresh the page, sign out and sign back in, search for the file or check the recycle bin, open the link in a private window, and request a new sharing link from the owner. Following these steps in order will help you narrow down the cause and fix the issue much faster. If this tutorial helped you solve the OneDrive error 404, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tech fixes, software tutorials, and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.